Hello, and I am Anthony. I will be doing your math and science. Not so. I always say I will be doing your math tutoring. So let me get you on. This happens all the time. Oh, you have got to make heading right. Okay, and I am back. We will now continue. So, my downstairs computer wasn't working, so now I'm going to do it up here. So, now you can see my computer. Now, first we'll be going to Smart Notebook. We will be doing something in Smart Notebook. At the top of the paper, I'm going to type it, and then I'm going to do a problem. Lesson 9. Lesson 9. Just put lesson 9 at the top. So, I'm going to write the word part, so I'm going to put something on it. 3, 1, 4. 3, 1, 4. So this is the denominator. The denominator. If you ever want me to send this to you, if you don't have a paper and you don't want to do it, just email mathscienceTotur3@gmail.com, and I will send you an email of it. If you need me to mail it, I'll mail it. And now this, the top where the 1 is a numerator. And that is the numerator. So, and this is, if it's not a fraction and it doesn't have a fraction, I'll show you what this line is called. That is a whole number. That is a whole number. And this now this is called a fraction bar. It's called a fraction bar. You can see lesson 9. It's you don't have to move your lesson 9, but I'm going to put my lesson 9. So, this is important. This is important, the numerator. The denominator is important. And the whole number is important. So you can make a circle or a box without making a box. So they stand for different whole number, a denominator, a numerator. You're telling me y isn't the fraction bar, and the fraction bar is important too. But why is the fraction bar important? The fraction bar is important because I'm going to show you. So, let's see. I'll show you why the fraction bar is important. So, you don't have to copy this down, what I'm writing now, but you can. So, I'll write it here. So, this is with fraction. This is with the fraction bar. No, that's not right. I don't have to put the whole number if I want. 1/4. Of course, if that wasn't there, this is what it would look like. I'm just putting a line in. You want to know what that is? That is not called non-fraction bar. Bar. This is a bar. And this is surprising. This is very surprising. Your mind will explode. If you don't know what this is, your minds will explode. And I'm not kidding. Your minds will explode. It is a whole number. It is a whole number. It is a whole number. Like, this is the whole number. If there isn't like this, if there's a 3, that's a whole number. If there's, like, it's not a whole number. But if you erase the denominator and the fraction bar, it will become a whole number like that. The numerator is something. Sorry, don't write over. Numerator is something. The numerator is how many. And make it smaller. The denominator. Alright, so it's hard to explain, so I'm going to draw that. So what are we doing? 3/1/4. The 3 is the whole. I'll show you what the 3 stands. I'll show you what the 3 stands. This is just a whole number, but I'll show you what the whole number does. So you're not just gonna make one. You're not just gonna make 1 and shade it. So you make 4 with 3 lines. You know why? What? You wanna know why? 4 is your denominator. And I'm gonna shade in 1. I'm gonna say 1, and you know what? 1 is my numerator. 1 is to shade. It is to shade. It is to shade. Numerator is the shade. The denominator is the total. Numbers. Lines. That's what it is, easy. And this is just a review of that. Whole number. This is how it works. The 3. See a 3? You're a 3. Times 1/4 equals something fourths. But we need 3 to be the denominator. So the rule is you have to add the 1 at the bottom. And 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 4 equals 4. So now at the bottom of here, we're going to now at the bottom of that, we are going to solve 3 times 1/4 equals, but it has to be the what? So the denominator rule is denominator stays the same. The denominator stays the same. That's right, the denominator stays the same. And 1 times 4 equals 4. So that's fine. Whatever it does to the bottom goes to the top. And we're going to write it here too. To the bottom goes to the top. Now I'm going to put it up here. The denominator stays the same. Whatever goes to the bottom goes to the top. That's the rule. I'm going to put it here. Ooh. And I'm going to underline that too. I'm going to make a box over it. Rules. Underline that too. 3 times 1 is 4. 4 fourths. And 4 fourths equal 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 4/4. You can do it that way too, or you can do it my way. 4/4. Or what I like better, if you're struggling in you will get that one. But are you gonna, or you can do 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1 equals 4/4 because 1/4, you got 1/4 right here already. You can have the different denominator, but let's say like 2/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 2/4. You can have the same thing, but the 1 stays at the top, like 2/3. 1/3 plus 1/3, 2/3. Math is simple if you don't get it. This is simple. This is the whole number. Denominator, numerator. It's how the numbers do and shade in. You don't do 1/4. So I'm going to make a box and do 1, and you're going to color it all in. You're not going to do it. The teacher is going to mark it wrong. You cannot do that. No, you cannot do that. No. This is whole number. You put the line there to make a whole 2/4. No. 2/4. Whole numbers. You put the line and it becomes a fraction. One more. 1. Same. Oh, you. He wanted more pizza. I was doing the pizza for him, pizza. He made me sit down, and so I had to sit down. And not only did I have to sit like this, I had to put my legs. He kept pushing my legs in. I don't know if you told me the other day. I didn't start working. I really got up and got me black. I'm just writing it down. You email me the answer. Math Science TOTOR3@gmail.com. If you get it, good. If you don't, good luck in school.
I'll go after my shift. My shift is longer tomorrow, so I'll go after my shift today. If possible, this way all our shopping's done, we're done, and that's it.
Alright, so you emailed me the
neither. Me neither.
Alright, so you email me the answer. Again, math science, ZOTOR at gmail.com. Again, math science, TOTOR at gmail.com. And I hope you enjoyed this math video that I showed you about. Alright, thank you everyone. Have a good day. And email the answer to me, mathsciencecotor3 at gmail.com. Thank you. And sorry for the interruptions in the beginning.